What is up, my glip glops? Need for Steve back at it with another video, man. It's been a while since I put out any content. Got a lot of stuff going on here, and I'll kind of just talk about it in this video. And you're probably wondering why I'm at the staffing office over here at Amazon. Well, pretty big assignment. I've decided to get a second job as a mindless drone. You know, and a lot of it is I work from home full time, so you know, I work from 9:30 to 6. I've decided to work at a new facility that's pretty close to my house. Start out at like $16 an hour, which is not terrible for a part-time job. Could be worse, like working fast food. I think, well, I don't have to do that, but there is a $3,000 sign-on bonus. Essentially doing it because the siding on my house needs to be replaced. May have went over this in a previous video, but essentially the siding on my house needs to be completely ripped off because it's warping and it's fading. I mean, the shipping or the warranty company is going to take care of all of the material costs and some labor, but still going to be out about $6,000. So anything that I could work part-time, you know, doing mindless dumb shit, it's not the worst thing. So that's kind of what I'm doing. Like, it sucks. I'm not going to want to get a second job, but, you know, working at Amazon isn't really the worst either. You know, it's just one of those things that I need to do as an adult to you know, get out of debt and not fucking put it on my credit card. I'm like, they do offer financing, which, you know, wouldn't be the worst thing, but I don't want to accrue any more credit card debt. So the only stipulation is you get like the first $1,000 after like the first 30 days. You get the additional $2,000 in 6 months. Essentially, I'm working just 20 hours a week, 4 hours per night. I will work from Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So it's weird because when I worked at Dish Network, I had Sundays and Wednesdays off. So it's kind of the same thing. Again, it's just stupid, mindless drone work. It's not the worst thing in the world. You know, again, just something that, and I'll work from 8:30 at night to 12:30 in the morning, or 12:30 a.m. So again, it's only like 5 nights a week. So it's not the worst thing. Again, it's just extra money. I don't really do anything those nights, and I don't sleep anyway. So I'm like, well, from what the lady told me, I will sort packages to its final destination, I think is how it goes. I don't really know. Just the name of the game at this point in time. It's just one of those things I need to do as an adult. And the best part is I still have my awesome full-time job working from home. So, you know, it's one of those things. If I don't like it, I don't have to stay. It's not the end of the world. I'll stay after the first month and get my $1,000 and quit. That's just what you do as an adult, I think. Is sometimes you just have to do things you don't want to. But honestly, I'm kind of excited for it. The hiring process was like super easy peasy. Seriously, it was like the easiest hiring process ever. And I think they just need bodies, and I'm a body. But yeah, so I'm super excited about that. I'm like, sorry I haven't been posting videos. It's been just kind of a lack of motivation more than anything. I don't know. I'm like, I don't know if motovlogging is something I want to continue. I'm like, nobody watches my videos anyway, so I'm at the point where it's just like, I can still make content. It's going to be even really shittier content than what it's normally been. I swear, this thing always needs gas. I've learned I can go like 40 miles on the flashing gas light on this thing. Because the final level from like the solid bar where it's at to the 1 bar, literally it's like 5 miles and it starts flashing again, which it's whatever. I'm hoping that intake noise isn't too bearable, but you can probably see down there that I put a Chimera Intake on this thing, and holy crap, it kind of wakes this thing up. I'm like, it's got more pull at like 4th gear, but fuck it, is it loud? It's louder, but I'm like, it's cool. It just kind of looks rad. It's got an air intake. It's got VTEC, yo. It was just cumbersome making fucking videos every week, you know what I mean? It's a lot of work. And a lot of it is I don't get any monetary value out of it, so it's been kind of put on the back burner for the time being, but I don't know, maybe I'll have some fun stories at Amazon to tell you guys if you're interested in watching those. That's what it is. It's just one of those things that I need to do as an adult. Been putting this thing on the on my treadmill so I could rack up the miles, so the miles current with the whole gauge cluster swap in fucking like December. It really just kind of threw a fucking thing. I'm like, it's totally fucking pointless. I get it. It's uneven it's uneven wear or unnecessary wear on my drivetrain components and my tire, but realistically, like it doesn't, you could buy like a $10 chain from Amazon and use the same shitty ass sprockets that were on it beforehand, and it's like, well, whatever, it's fine. So yeah, that's just what I've been doing. I got some new gear. I got some new Dainese gloves. You saw in the video, the previous helmet, where I bought the Shoei GT Air II after I made that rock video, which I thought was gonna kind of go do well, but it didn't. And again, it's just the whole YouTube thing, and just not putting any effort into it anymore. Yeah, ever since I sold the FC07, I've just been practicing the Grom and just having a real good time with it. The Grom update again. I have the Chimera Intake. I did the flat black one just because it looks cool, and I hate chrome intakes. So again, not that you'll ever see it, but I like it, and that's what I bought. And I bought a new TST Industries Secret sequential tail light, the Hot Bodies fender lane reader. After a year of use, was starting to crack, and I may have made a video about it. It was like a short, as one of those things just to avoid Hot Bodies products. Their products suck. They're really expensive for what you get. And, honestly, just really not worth it. I have like about 3 weeks to before I start my new job. I do anything at night anyway, so it'll just be something fun to do for a little bit. I get some extra money. It's totally not the worst thing, I guess. But yeah, I think that is going to be the end of this vlog, I guess. Shout out to Mr. kind of photogrammer, because yeah, he was I watched his like goodbye video last night, and it kind of made me, I'm like, do I really want to continue this? Part of me does, but part of me also doesn't, because I don't ever nobody ever watches it anyway. So we haven't been doing any of the shenanigan Grom stuff this year. Like, we've just been riding Groms, put miles on them, and that's that. My gauge cluster says 7,700 miles, but there's a little over, I think, 11,000 miles on this thing. So I still have about 3,500 miles left on the treadmill. Again, I'll put it on the rear stand, and just so it makes a little bit of contact, enough to the friction will move it, and the speed indicator will pick it up. And again, it's a total waste of electricity, but it's something that I want to do, and I want my mileage to be accurate on my motorcycle. Because honestly, I think it's more of just a badge of honor than anything to say, hey, but 10,000 miles on my Grom in a year. Yeah, I think that is effectively going to end this video. I am Steve on the Shenanigan Groms. Guess I'll see you guys in the next one. I don't know when it is, but I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. It's just gonna be less motivated to post YouTube videos, so that's what you're gonna get. So, and as always, guys, I do thank you guys, everybody, for watching, subscribing. From my day one journey of just talking to myself like an idiot to still continuing to do that. But I don't think people like motovlogging anymore. Like, I could be wrong, but I got some mild success, I guess. I wouldn't say I was super successful. I still haven't made a dime off anything, but a lot of it is just haven't been posting videos or content. So it's at the point of the where like nobody watches it, and you're putting 5-6 hours a night fucking editing videos. It's like, what the hell for? So I'd rather just go ride my motorcycle than having people watch me ride my motorcycle. Like, maybe in the winter time I'll finish up all the other stuff that I've been trying to post, but in the meantime, you're gonna get what I give you, and if you watch it, I appreciate it. If you don't, that's fine too. I think that's going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really do love all of you that have made that continuous effort to watch my videos, support me, and and enjoy the Grom life, man. I've been really enjoying the mini bike life. It's been fun. I think I might just plan maybe a quick trip somewhere, before I start working at Amazon. It's not going to be a permanent replacement. And it's just to make some extra money. So, which is never the worst thing, I guess. There could always be like worse ways, I guess, to make money. Sell drugs. Be a street pharmacist. Toss speedrun. What you saw at 69? 69? So guys. Yeah. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.